Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for a federal tax extension. Filing an extension gives you an extra 6 months to submit your tax return, which can be very helpful if you need more time to gather your documents. However, it's crucial to remember that an extension to file is not an extension to pay. You still need to estimate and pay any taxes you owe by the original deadline to avoid penalties. The most common way to request a federal tax extension is by filing IRS Form 4868, Application for Automatic Extension of Time to File U.S. Individual Income Tax Return. This form grants you an automatic 6-month extension. You can easily file Form 4868 electronically through tax software or a tax professional, or you can print it out and mail it directly to the IRS. Remember to include your basic identifying information. To avoid penalties, it's essential to pay at least 90% of your estimated tax liability by the original tax deadline, even if you're filing an extension. If you pay less than this amount, you could face underpayment penalties. Additionally, interest will begin to accrue on any unpaid taxes from the original due date until the date you actually pay. So, estimate carefully and pay what you can. Once your extension is granted, make sure to file your complete tax return before your new extended deadline. It's also wise to keep thorough records of your extension request, including any confirmation numbers and proof of any payments you made. This helps ensure everything is documented correctly. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.